Think about your daily drive. Unexpected moments happen in seconds. What if you had a silent witness capturing it all, ready to back you up when it counts? Today, we're diving into the top 5 dash cams that do just that. Smart, reliable, and packed with features to keep you safe on the road. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description below, which are updated for the best prices. Number 5. Nextbase Pico. Imagine you're driving through busy city streets or cruising down a highway when suddenly something unexpected happens. A minor fender bender or an unusual incident. That's where this compact dash cam shines. The Nextbase Pico packs solid video quality into a tiny, sleek design that won't distract you while driving. Its 140-degree wide-angle lens captures plenty of detail, helping you get clear footage of what really happened. What makes this model stand out is its ease of use and smart features, like voice control and quick emergency recording. You don't have to fumble with buttons or menus, just say a command and it's on. Perfect for busy mornings when you're juggling coffee, kids, and traffic all at once. Plus, right now on Amazon, it's available with an impressive 38% discount, making it an unbeatable deal for anyone wanting peace of mind behind the wheel without breaking the bank. Whether you're a daily commuter or just want to protect yourself during road trips, this dash cam offers reliable performance and great value. Of course, being small means it has a shorter battery life compared to bigger models, so it's best paired with a constant power source in your car. But if portability and smart features matter most, this is a solid pick at a fantastic price. Number 4. Garmin Mini 3. Picture this. You're heading out for a weekend getaway, excited but also a bit nervous about unfamiliar roads. The Garmin Mini 3 can be your trustworthy travel companion, quietly capturing everything ahead with sharp 1440p resolution. Its compact design means it fits discreetly on your windshield without blocking your view, so you stay focused on the road, not the device. One everyday advantage: parking mode. Ever come back to your car worried about a scratch or a hit? This dash cam keeps an eye on things even when you're parked, recording any suspicious movement. It's like having a vigilant guardian watching over your vehicle when you're not around. And here's a great motivator. It's currently available on Amazon with a 35% discount. That's a sweet deal for anyone looking to upgrade their car safety without emptying their wallet. While it offers excellent video quality and handy features, the Garmin Mini 3's screen is smaller than some competitors, so reviewing footage on the device itself can be a bit cramped. Still, for reliable recording and smart parking protection, it's a strong contender that balances quality and value perfectly. Number 3. Nextbase IQ1K. Imagine you're driving through busy streets or parked outside a store when something unexpected happens: a close call, a hit and run, or suspicious activity near your car. This is where the Nextbase IQ1K really stands out. Offering crisp 1K resolution, it captures clear, detailed footage that could be a lifesaver when proving what really happened. What makes it special is the built-in 4G connectivity. This means you can check your car's live feed from anywhere through your phone. Picture parking your car at a crowded mall and feeling secure, knowing you can peek in anytime and get instant alerts if something seems off. Another cool feature is witness mode. Say you witness an accident or feel unsafe during a drive. This mode lets you stream footage live to a trusted contact. It's like having a safety net with you on every trip. While the price is higher than basic models, this dash cam suits drivers who want more than just recording. It's about smart protection, both on the road and when parked. If you're the kind of person who values peace of mind over price, this can be a solid investment for everyday driving and unexpected situations alike. Number 2. Vantrue N4 Pro. Imagine you're driving through a bustling city, trying to navigate through heavy traffic. Suddenly, a cyclist swerves in front of you and a pedestrian crosses the street unexpectedly. With the Vantrue N4 Pro dash cam, you have a 360-degree view of your surroundings, capturing every detail with its 3-channel system: front, rear, and interior cameras. This comprehensive coverage ensures that you're always prepared, whether it's for unexpected road events or ensuring the safety of passengers inside your vehicle. One standout feature is its 4K HDR front camera, which delivers crystal clear footage even in low-light conditions. Coupled with the rear and cabin cameras, it provides a complete picture of your driving environment. Whether it's a rear-end collision or an incident inside the cabin, you have clear evidence at your fingertips. The Vantrue N4 Pro also boasts advanced features like voice control, allowing you to operate the camera hands-free. ensuring you keep your eyes on the road. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily transfer and share footage, making it convenient for both personal use and insurance claims. While the initial setup may require some effort, the peace of mind and protection it offers make it a valuable investment for any driver. Whether you're commuting daily or embarking on long road trips, the Vantrue N4 Pro ensures that you're always prepared for the unexpected. Number 1. Viofo A229 Pro. Picture this. You're driving through a bustling city when a car suddenly cuts you off. With the Viofo A229 Pro, you have a 4K front camera capturing every detail, ensuring you have clear evidence of the incident. This dash cam offers unparalleled clarity with its dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors, providing exceptional low-light performance. But it's not just about the front view. The A229 Pro also features a 2K rear camera, giving you comprehensive coverage of what's happening behind your vehicle. Whether it's a tailgater or an unexpected event, you have the footage to back you up. For those concerned about cabin security, the optional interior camera adds an extra layer of protection. Equipped with infrared LEDs, it ensures clear recording even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for rideshare drivers or parents monitoring young passengers. Installation is straightforward, with the main unit and cameras easily mounting using 3M adhesive pads. The included cables are designed for a clean setup, minimizing clutter and ensuring a professional appearance. With features like voice control, GPS, and 24-hour parking mode, the Viofo stands out as a top choice for those seeking comprehensive vehicle surveillance. Its combination of high-resolution recording, user-friendly features, and reliable performance makes it a standout in the dashcam market. Investing in the Viofo A229 Pro means equipping your vehicle with a state-of-the-art security system, providing peace of mind on every journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more smart gear reviews. Got a dash cam you love or any questions? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Drive safe and see you in the next video.